10 million view viral veg recipe. Once you try this radish balls in flavorful masala gravy, you'll make it every week. Heat 1 tablespoon cooking oil in a pan and roast 1 cup chana dal with 4 dried red chilies, stems removed, on medium flame until aromatic, crisp, and slightly reddish. Cool completely and grind in a dry mixer with 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 2 cloves, and a small cinnamon piece into a fine powder without water. Peel and grate 2 medium radishes. Squeeze out about 80% of the juice and keep the moist grated radish aside. In the same jar, coarsely grind 4 small ginger pieces, 10 garlic cloves, 1 chopped large onion, 2 tablespoons grated coconut, 1 sprig curry leaves, a handful of coriander leaves, and the grated radish using pulse mode. Mix this with the powdered dal, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon salt, and knead tightly without adding water. Roll into medium balls and set aside. In a pan, heat 2-3 tablespoon oil and temper fennel seeds, 1 bay leaf, kalpasi, cinnamon, 2 cloves, and curry leaves. Sauté 2 chopped large onions, or 100 grams small onions, until translucent. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Cook till raw smell disappears. Then add 2 chopped tomatoes and salt and sauté till soft. Add 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, and 1/4 tablespoon garam masala. Sauté 1 minute, pour 1 cup water, and bring to a rolling boil. Grind a 1/2 cup coconut, 1/2 teaspoon fennel, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds, and 5 cashews with a little water to a smooth paste, and add to the gravy along with rinsed jar water. Dissolve 1 prepared ball in 1/2 cup water and mix into gravy. Add another 1 cup water, check seasoning, and boil uncovered. Once bubbling, add remaining balls spaced apart. Cook covered on low for 2 minutes. Gently turn using spoon handle. Cover and cook 2 more minutes until gravy thickens and oil separates. Garnish with chopped coriander and serve hot with rice or chapati.